Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the annoying "this page cannot be displayed" error in Windows XP on VirtualBox even when your internet connection is working perfectly on your host PC. But don't worry, you don't need to fix the browser itself. Instead, we'll install a better browser inside XP using VirtualBox's shared folder feature. Here's how to do it step by step. First, shut down the XP virtual machine and enable shared folder in Open VirtualBox and click on Settings for the XP VM. Go to the Shared Folders tab, click the plus icon on the right, choose the folder path from your host PC where you'll put the browser installer. Make sure to check Auto Mount, click OK and start the virtual machine again. Now on your main PC, go ahead and download an older browser that works with XP like K-Meleon or Opera Mini for PC or even MyPal and save the installer file in the same folder you just shared. Now go back to your XP VirtualBox. Open My Computer and you'll see a network drive or a drive letter like E or Z. This is your shared folder. Open it and you'll see the browser installer file. Run the installer and complete the setup. That's it. Now open the new browser and you should be able to use the internet without any errors. No more "this page cannot be displayed." If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.